This video walks you through how to enable notifications on eToro. Begin on the main eToro screen and look to the left sidebar. In that menu, click Settings. This opens the area where account preferences and app options are managed. Once the settings page is open, look for Notifications and select it to open the notification settings. On the Notifications page, you will see different categories that group alerts by type. These categories can include account and club, investing, price alerts, and market events. Choose the category you want to work with first and expand it so you can see the available notification options inside that section. After opening a category, look for the notification channels connected to it. Turn on the switches for in-app, push, and email. This allows that category to send updates through the app itself, through push notifications on your device, and through email messages. If you only want certain channels active, use the switches that match your preference, but make sure the ones you want are turned on before moving forward. Once the main channels are enabled, stay inside that same category and look for Advanced Settings. Click Advanced Settings to open the list of individual alerts available under that category. This is where you can control which specific notifications you want to receive instead of only turning the entire category on or off. Review the available alert types in that section and select the ones you want to keep active for your account. When you are done adjusting the first category, return to the main list of notification categories and repeat the same process for the others. Expand the next category, then turn on your preferred channels for in-app, push, and email. After that, open Advanced Settings in that category as well and choose the individual alerts you want to receive there. Continue moving through the remaining categories one by one. For account and club, investing, price alerts, and market events, use the same pattern so your notification setup matches the kind of updates you want from eToro. If a category already has some channels enabled, check them before you leave the page so they reflect your current preference. This helps make sure you are not missing alerts you want or receiving alerts you do not plan to use. Take a final look across all categories after you finish. Confirm that each section has the right combination of in-app, push, and email enabled, and that any changes made in advanced settings reflect the specific alerts you selected. Your eToro notifications are now enabled for the categories and channels you chose.